In this video, I will show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts. So the first thing that you need to do is open Play Store. In the search bar, search for YouTube. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. After it's done updating, simply click on Open. As you can see, you can access YouTube Shorts from your feed. But to turn it off, simply click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then in the top right corner, you will see the setting gear. Click on it. Here you will find time management. Click on it. Now scroll till the end. Here you will find daily limits, and under it there is shorts feed limit. Turn it on. Then you can set the short feed limit to 0 minutes. After that, you can simply go back and then check. Now the YouTube Shorts would have been removed from your account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.